Welcome to the video series. If you could have an app for free, what would it be? So this is a question we're actually asking. So if you wouldn't mind, please could you comment for us and tell us what app you would like for free or what problem you would like to solve with an application in your work, in your business. Anything like that would help. Thank you very much. So we're doing this video series and we're asking the question, but we're also going to show you apps that you can access for free if you have Office 365. So we're going to go through that at the moment. This video is covering a budget tracker. So first thing we need to do is we need to go to Office 365. Office 365 can be accessed in your browser at office.com. If you don't have an account, please leave us questions in the comment section below as well if you like. We will be happy to answer the question as to how to go about getting an Office 365 account. Okay, so let's start off. Once you open Office 365, you'll normally see your applications on the home screen. You'll see PowerApps here. If you don't see PowerApps there, it will be in all apps section, either on the home screen or on your app launcher. You can go to all apps and find PowerApps there. So once you've found PowerApps, you can open PowerApps, which we've already done. And once you've done that, you can go to Create Apps. On the right hand side, you want to go to Start from a Template, and you want to make sure you've selected all templates. And once you've done that, we want to go to the budget tracker. Click on it, and you've got the option of creating either a tablet or a phone app. We like the tablet app, so I'm just going to call this Newfangled 1 or Newfangled budget tracker, and we create that application. So now it's going to render and create the app. And we skip that first step. So now it's open the app. So most of the customers we go see, we can start from this template. So they might see this template and say we want this template. We then customize it specifically for them, because they might want to have changes made to the app so that it specifically fits their business. Other people use the app just as it is. So in this case, we're not going to do any modifications. We're just going to save the app. We already named it, so we want to save it to the cloud, and we save. Okay, you can now actually close this, and once we've done that, we can go to app section, and now we will see our app there, and we open it. We allow the camera, and we've there got our budget tracker app. So on the left hand side, we've got our budgets. So you can see you can toggle through those. You can actually remove budgets here. You can add new budgets, the title and an amount. Then, most importantly, allocate expenses to a budget. So we can allocate expenses. You'll see the camera now doesn't work because I'm recording on it, but you can capture an expense, allocate it to a category. That will then give you a total for your budget and give you a graph view of that. You can also attach receipts to your expenses or your budget. And that's how you get the budget tracker app very quickly for free. You don't have to use Excel spreadsheets. Very handy tool to use for the finance team or anyone who's looking to maybe manage expenses for an event and allocate the receipts and expenses to an event. Thank you very much. Hope this was helpful. And please, again, leave comments in the section below as to what apps you might want to have a look at or might want for your business. Thank you very much.